Hi, are you lonely?
No,
Oh, tell me more.
I'm not lonely because I'm very social.
Oh, nice. How about you?
Oh no, I'm never lonely. I have lots of friends and I do a lot of walking.
Oh.
If I do feel lonely, I bake cookies.
Oh, that's a wonderful hobbies. How about you?
Cookies. No, I'm not lonely because I have my mom and my grandma visiting me from California.
Oh, nice. So you guys are from California. So compared to California, you think New York City is lonelier or no?
Maybe in the winter when it's cold and
Oh.
people can't get out, but if it's a beautiful day and you get outside,
Yes. How about you? Do you think New York City is lonelier or you think California?
So
You don't think
so
so?
much to see. I don't know why anyone would be lonely.
Oh, okay. How about you?
No, I think you just go for long walks and you just see where you end up and who you meet.
So you don't think New York City is a lonely place?
No, I don't.
No, that's great. So I know you guys hardly feel lonely, but if you have a sense of loneliness, what do?
She bakes cookies.
Yes, you just told me
I
yes.
take my dogs out for walks.
Oh, nice. How about you?
Yeah, I go for long walks in the park.
Oh.
Clearly we like being in parks.
Yes, especially today, the sunlight is
Yeah,
so
it's so
beautiful.
gorgeous
Yes.
out.
One last question. If my audience just came to New York City, they feel lonely, what they should do, you think?
Oh, come
Go
to the
outside.
Park.
Come to the
Yes.
park. Yes, good suggestion.
Beautiful.
Yes. You have anything more to add?
Go
Or?
see some live music.
Yes.
And
Yes.
always smile and say hello to people. That
Yes.
is a great way to meet people and bring kindness to the world.
Thank you so much. And what is your name?
Marie.
And you?
Hilda.
And you?
Ash.
Thank you. Bye-bye.